My presentation: National Triangle Service, Designing and Manufacturing Industrial Center, 2557785. Architectural Driving, Apprentice, Paula Camila Siguero Lopez. Teacher, Diego Flores. Evidence 1. Friday, 26 August 2022. Hello, my name is Paula Camila Siguero Lopez. My nationality is Colombian. I am 70 years old. My phone number is 315-213-9529. My email is paulacamilafiguerolopez@gmail.com. My hobbies are driving, listening to music, watching or kids or series of movies, and playing video games. My occupation is an apprentice in architectural driving at Sena, and also I am a sportsman. My mom, here is my mom. Your name is Deira Mauri Sierra Lopez. Here is Colombia. She is 5 years old. Your number phone is 318-425-6092. She does not have an email. Her hobbies are cooking and manicure. Your occupation is shirt maker. My good mother. He is good mother. Your name is Maria Caterina Sierra Lopez. Ahumada Sierra Lopez. Here is Colombia. She is 3 years old. Her phone number is 31649550559. Her email is ttahumada@gmail.com. She hobbies are cooking. Your occupation is industrial engineer. Thank you.